Hi guys, it's me again. It's Jenny from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. It's just a quick video share today. I've just taken something in the post, the new Graphic 45 Communique paper pack that I've ordered. I thought I'd do a quick flip through share of the papers. I know that a lot of people who've been journaling for a long time, I've actually seen use this paper and it's lovely. It's a real treat, and I've just decided to make myself some traveller's notebooks for note taking, and inspired by this wrapping paper that I picked up last week, this retro style wrapping paper that I picked up. I really liked that. I thought I'd use this in my traveller's notebooks, and then I remembered that I had this in my stash. It's a linguaphone, French linguaphone. It's quite an old book that I picked up. I can't remember what the date is in it, to be fair. Anyway, it's English to French. It's quite old. It's got some beautiful images in it. It's got some lovely images in it, and I thought that I would use some of these in my traveller's notebook. And then that got me to thinking that it reminded me that I'd actually seen this paper pack be used before, so I've ordered it. So some of these elements you will see in the journals I'll be coming up with the next few weeks, some for myself and some to put in my Etsy store. I also remembered that I'd had this beautiful old book. Well, it's a reproduction of an old catalogue, fashion catalogue, a Sears one, and I've taken bits out of it before for journals for friends, and I've not really used it for myself. So with all those things in mind, I ordered the Communique card pack, and it came today. And I thought, for those of you who, like my good self, haven't ordered it before, I would just do a quick show and tell of what it comes with. So this is the first. There are two of everything. I just thought you'd just like to have a quick look at the beautiful colours and the lovely images. And as I say, over the next few weeks I will be doing some traveller's notebooks for myself for convention coming up, a Be Courageous convention. I've been doing custom orders for other people for that, and for me I thought I would do it in this style, and I'd use some of my retro images. So I just thought you might like to see how it comes. And on the back they've got coordinating sort of different patterns, but all these little bits are good for ephemera or for collaging, but they're just beautiful. I love the colours, I love the images. I'm going to have a lot of fun working with this. So there's this one that's all dark and it's got script on it in cream. It's going to be absolutely perfect, I think, for what I want, and also for journals coming up for the autumn. Vintage fashion journals coming up for the autumn and winter, I think will be really useful. Coordinating colour on the back. And that says public telephone, that little stamp. This one here would be fabulous just for collage, or just as it is really. But I just thought you might find the biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. Quote from George Bernard Shaw. I think we've seen this one, but let's have a look at it again just because it's lovely. Oh, this is gorgeous. And I have quite a few. I really like the ladies in the vintage hats. I think it's beautiful. And in the Sears catalogue book, there are quite a few beautiful adverts for what they called bob hats, I think. All of these little bits for ephemera. So it's just a short little video today. There's that one I really like. If you can see I really like this. It can be very, very useful indeed. This can be fabulous just for doing journaling cards or for making into pockets, which I think I will probably do, so that they actually stay. But you get 2 sets of. These are stickers that actually come with the pack, which are absolutely beautiful. Will be very useful. More of the journaling cards, and these sort of ephemera type things, and cardboard. So tags and bits and pieces. So that's it. Deluxe Collector's Edition, Graphic 45, paper crafting set, Communique. Happy crafting, guys. Hope you found the share useful, particularly if you're like me, starting to think about planning ahead for the autumn and winter. I've done lots of botanicals, lots of florals over the summer, which I love, but I think a vintage fashion and retro type range is in order. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to this channel, if you'd like to subscribe, like and leave a comment below, that would be great. I'm also on Instagram. I try and post daily on Just Jenny Journaling on Instagram, and also on Facebook as well. I sort of try and duplicate the posts on Facebook too. So that's it. Take care. Bye bye.